All right, thanks for joining me at Man Kitchen Recipes. I hope you saw the little introduction I did for this VEVOR dual tank countertop deep fryer. It's got the dual tanks. And thank you so much for all the suggestions. I had a lot of great suggestions, and I probably won't get to all of them, or maybe I will. I don't know, you know. Over time, I'm going to be using this a lot. But tonight, I'm going to do fish and chips. And the reason why I want to do fish and chips, a couple of reasons. My brother suggested it in the comments. But another reason is, since it is a dual tank, one side we're going to do fish. The other side we're going to do our chips, our fries. And this way, if you only have one fryer and you do your fish first and you forget, guess what? Your oil's going to taste like fish, right? So this gives you the two different tanks, fries on one side, fish on the other. And yeah, we're going to do the beer battered fish and chips. I'm going to heat this up to, let me just show you. Okay, so fish on this side, chips on this side. And you can see here, we're just going to turn this on for the fish. We're going to start preheating this to, we're going to take this on up to about 375 degrees. And then for my fries, we're going to double fry them so we get them nice and crispy. And so the first fry, we're going to take these up to about 275. We're going to heat this all up to about 275 on this side. We'll let them fry for like 8 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. You know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and go up to almost 300. And then that way we can cut the first cooking time down a little bit. We might go 6 to 8 minutes. We'll take them out. We'll crank it up to 375 and we'll fry them again. But anyway, I'm going to get these heated up and we'll go from there. We're going to check the oil. It should be right around 300. The light did go off. And then it went back on, so. All right, 298. We're gonna call that good. Okay, so I'm gonna get my fries in the basket right here. My chips. Just gonna put them all in at once. It's okay if they're close to each other. Okay, then we're just gonna lower them into the basket or into the oil. All right, and we're going to let these go for about 6-7 minutes. Okay, these fries have actually been going about 5.5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes. I kind of stuck a fork in one. It kind of went in nice and easy. So at this point, I'm going to take these out. And since I don't have a lot of fries, I'm just going to let these rest right here while we turn this up to 375 degrees. Once it gets to 375, that's when we will go ahead and drop them in again to get them even crispier. I got one little tiny one that fell in there. It's going to get hard and crispy. But anyway, so let's get this beer batter going and get the fish ready. Today I'm going to be using some Bluebird flour. This is a local from a town over in Colorado, Cortez, Colorado, close by here. So we're going to use a cup of this for our beer batter and then a little bit to put our fish in before we put it into the batter. So I've got just under a cup of flour in there. I'm going to put just about a tablespoon of kosher salt. And I'm going to grind up some pepper in there. A little bit. Don't want too much pepper in that part. And then I'm going to put some paprika in there. Same thing, roughly about a tablespoon per cup of flour, I guess is the best way to measure it. Okay, that looks good. Okay, just kind of get it all blended together. And for today's beer, I'm going to use a Leinenkugels. It's a summer shandy, so it's kind of got a little bit of a lemony flavor. So I'm just going to start adding that in. Get this whisked up. Okay, that's probably about, I don't know, 3 ounces of beer. And now I'm going to add some ice water in here, a little bit at a time. And you want to get this consistency kind of to like a pancake batter. You don't want any lumps in it. Just add a little bit at a time. Okay, I added a little bit more beer, so I used about half of it. And you just want to have it like that. Okay. All right. So the oil over here is all heated up to 375. All right, let me get some pepper in that flour. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and drop my fries back in over here. They'll need to go for about 5 minutes. The fish will go fast. Let's see if I can do this to where you can see it. Okay, so you want to get the flour on all sides here. And the ends. Okay, and then we're going to dredge it in the batter. Okay. Let whatever's going to drip off, drip off. Okay, and then we're going to lay it in the oil. And we'll do one at a time, just like that. Okay. Now what we're going to do with these is we're going to take them over here and we're going to get them on a paper towel. Okay. And what I've got here to season these with is I've got some Sriracha, powdered Sriracha from Trader Joe's, and powdered ketchup, which this ketchup, powdered ketchup, already has salt and other seasonings in it with tomato powder. So that's going to be my ketchup for these fries. So Sriracha, spice it up a little bit. Okay. And then I'm just going to mix them up just like that. And these fries are ready to roll. Okay. As soon as that fish is ready, fish should be done here in just about, probably just about now. See how they look. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and golden brown. I'm going to go ahead and pull these up. And then I'm going to transfer them over here to a paper towel and let them drain a little bit. So that was just about 4.5 minutes. The fish will cook that fast at 375. And let me plate this up. We'll do a taste test. There we go. Fish and chips in the VEVOR dual tank deep fryer right there. Oh man, you know I'm going to have fun with this. All right, let's take a taste. My phone is about to die. All right, there's my fish and chips. I broke this one open just to make sure. Look at that white and flaky fish. Oh my goodness, and the fries. Oh. Oh yeah. I fried up those skins. I wasn't going to let that go to waste, and actually I wanted to cook some more stuff with since I had some batter, but I didn't. I didn't have any hot dogs or hamburgers. Anyway, let's take a taste. Oh my goodness. Nice and crispy. The fish is totally done. Before my camera dies, hey, get you one of these. We're going to fry up a lot of stuff. You can cook these recipes with me, and we'll have a lot of fun, all right? Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. And, man, don't forget to come back. Hit that like, subscribe, ring the bell, come back, and we'll make some fried food.